This is me at my friend's strawberry farm in France. And check out the massive tractor tires. But did you know there's lots of physics behind why tractor tires are so big? Let's break it down. The size of the tires helps spread the weight of the tractor over a large surface area. The larger the surface area, the less pressure the tractor exerts on the ground. Next, look at these deep tread tires. The design of these tires give the tractor extra traction, meaning it can grip uneven, sometimes slippery ground much better than regular tires. So next time you see a tractor, remember it's not just the engine that's doing the work. The tires are doing some serious physics as well. Follow for more fun physics facts.